Hello friend, today we are going to learn how to create a PHP page and how to upload that on your server. And the PHP page creation over which we will give the example, that is for thank you page. Actually most of us who are selling their products and services through some of their websites, they need some thank you page, because after submissions, the order, after transactions, you want to show the transactions ID or submission ID or order ID to your clients for better impressions, for their tracking, and for their good experience, so how to create that? Because if you are using WordPress platform, then it's not easy to create a PHP page from there, because as a default you can create HTML page using your WordPress platform. But to create some PHP file, PHP page, you have to create it, you have to write it at first, and after that you have to upload that on your server, and then you can run it perfectly. So here I am giving you the example how to do that. Okay, so at first you have to log in your server. I have already logged in. This is my server, my GoDaddy cPanel. So after logging in there, you have to click the file manager. Just click here and select the web root public HTML and go. Okay, and select the subfolder public HTML. Okay, so I have already done all of those things, and right now I have to write the PHP code. So how to do that? Write the PHP code in a simple text file. I have already written it. Okay, so PHP header, this is the code. No need to worry, I will give this code to the video description, so you can just copy from there as well. And as a PHP header, I have given the refresh 5 and URL equal to my website ID. I have given it. You want to ask me that why I have given you this? Because I don't want to keep my client on my thank you page. So after 5 seconds, the page will be refreshed and my client will be redirected to my home page. So that's why I have given this after 5 seconds, or you can give it as a 10 also. So after 10 seconds, the page will be refreshed and client will be redirected to the home page. So this is actually basic things which you have to follow, which you have to maintain. Okay, so if you don't want to give these things, you no need to give it, you just delete it. Okay, but I will suggest you to give it. Okay, so this is the format, and you can give the things which will be showed in the thank you page, right? Like here I have given email ID, the client's email ID, which will be shown here in my thank you page, the submission ID and the transactions ID. Transaction ID will be fetched from the account, I mean the payment account where my client has paid, like PayPal or something like that. And the submission ID is the form number. If you are using some third-party forms like UFO or Zot form or Google form, then submission ID will be tracked from their end. Okay, and email ID will also be tracked from their end, which email ID has been submitted to that project form or order form. Okay, so this is the code, and after that you have to save it. I am saving it as test thank you. You can save it as thank you as well, .php. Okay, so I have already saved it. Now you have to upload the page. How to do that? Click here, upload button, and after that you have to choose the file. It's completed. Okay, so you can see the file here. This is the file. Okay, now I want to open the page. How to do that? Just click your website URL, trickc.com. you can check it, test thank you.php, the name of the PHP file which you have uploaded in your server. Okay, so I have given it here. I am clicking it here, the code. After submission the form, you will see the email ID, submission ID and transaction ID as well. and as I said you, after 5 seconds the page has been refreshed, and I am right now in my home page. Okay, so this is the thing, and I will give you the code, and no problem, just see my check my my video description, you will get the code from here. And please comment me and suggest me, and like my video, and if you want to get some more informations or anything else, then please ask me, I will be happy to help you. Okay guys, thank you so much, thanks for watching my video.